Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can download your favorite YouTube thumbnails from YouTube. You might have come across lots of YouTube thumbnails that you really love to have. So I'll be showing you how you can download those thumbnails. So in order to download those thumbnails, all you have to do is first find the video of with the thumbnail that you want to download. For example, if I want to download this thumbnail right here, all I have to do is select the video. Then I just copy the link of the video. Then I'll go to my website optizord.com where I have the web tools category. Under web tools category, when you scroll down, you will come to this particular area where you have YouTube thumbnail downloader. Once you click on that, the YouTube thumbnail downloader will load, and all I do is paste the video link on the YouTube thumbnail downloader and click on start. So once you click on start, you can download YouTube thumbnails in different qualities. Then you click on download image, and once that is done, just open and you can see that we have downloaded the thumbnail in SD quality. Similarly, you can download thumbnails of any videos by simply copy pasting the video link right here and clicking on start and downloading image variation of your choice. Moreover, there are tons of other tools on my website which are really useful for everyone. Do check out all these tools. Thank you for watching this video.